Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to fix the We've Sent Code to Telegram app on your other device issue and log into Telegram account without getting stuck. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix this issue, you can check for your other old devices like your desktop, your tablet, or an old phone if your Telegram app is still active in those devices. If you have a new phone and you don't have any more access on your old phones, make sure that your registered phone number is the one that you're using for your new phone. That is the case, we can now proceed. If you have your old number inserted to your new device, you can now proceed to register this new device in Telegram. To do this, just input the number that you have registered. In which case, I have already registered my phone to my Telegram account. For those who haven't registered their new phones, you would need an SMS and wait for a code that would be sent by Telegram. After this, you are now able to use Telegram freely. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.